If you constantly reach the end of the month wondering where your salary went, it's not because you don't make enough money. It's because your money doesn't have instructions. A payday without a plan turns into random spending, and random spending creates average results. So in this video, I'm going to show you the exact order your money should move in every single payday, no matter how much you earn. Because wealth isn't built by income. It's built by structure. Step 1, stabilize your life. Before anything else, your income needs to cover your core living expenses: housing, food, transport, utilities, and minimum debt payments. But here's the important part. Just because you can afford something doesn't mean it belongs in this category. Needs are survival, not upgrades. If your essentials are taking more than 60-70% of your income, that's a warning sign because it leaves no room to grow. Step 2, build a protection layer before investing, before lifestyle upgrades. You need margin. This is your emergency fund. Life will happen, car repairs, medical bills, unexpected job changes. Without a cash buffer, one surprise turns into debt. Start with a small target, then slowly build toward 3-6 months of basic expenses. This isn't exciting, but stability is what allows wealth to compound. Step 3, eliminate high interest debt. If you're paying 20% interest on a credit card and earning 8% in investments, you're moving backwards. High interest debt cancels out progress. Attack it aggressively. Every extra rand or dollar you send toward it is a guaranteed return equal to the interest rate. There's no investment more powerful than removing expensive debt. Step 4, pay yourself first. Now we build before spending on wants. Move money into long-term investments, retirement accounts, index funds, tax-advantaged accounts, if available in your country. This step should happen automatically. Automation removes emotion, and emotion is expensive on payday. The goal is simple. Turn income into assets. Assets create freedom. Step 5, increase your earning power. At some point, budgeting alone won't change your life. You need a larger income base. Invest in skills, certifications, business ideas, networking, health. Your income grows when your value grows. This is one of the highest return investments you can make. Step 6, build future goals. Once your foundation is strong, save for a home, start a business, invest outside retirement, plan for financial independence. This is where money becomes strategic, not reactive. Step 7, spend without guilt. Only now do you fully enjoy what's left. Travel, dinner, hobbies, experiences. When wealth building happens first, spending feels better because it's controlled, not impulsive. Here's the truth. Most people treat payday like a reward. Wealthy people treat payday like a responsibility. One builds comfort for a weekend, the other builds freedom for a lifetime. Do this every time you get paid, and eventually your money will stop disappearing and start multiplying. So spend last, save first, and thank me later. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.